Ready to blast your podcast to millions of ears? Today, we're taking your Buzzsprout podcast and launching it on Spotify. First, log into your Buzzsprout account, where you host your audio episodes. Navigate to your podcast's dashboard. You will want to find your podcast's RSS feed URL. You'll likely see a button labeled Get Your RSS Feed. Click it, then copy it. €. That's the key to unlocking distribution. Now, hop over to the Spotify for Podcasters website. You can find it easily with a Google search. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. It's completely free. Once you're logged in, you should see a dashboard with a button such as Get Started. To submit your podcast, click it, and it will start the submission process. Spotify will prompt you to paste your podcast RSS feed URL that you copied from Buzzsprout in the previous step. Paste the URL into the designated field, and then click the button to submit it. Next, Spotify will verify your podcast's ownership. Typically, they'll send an email to the address associated with your RSS feed. In the email, you will have to click a verification link. After you verify the podcast, congrats! Your podcast is now submitted to Spotify, which means it is available to millions of listeners. Spotify may need a little time to completely process everything, so keep an eye out and enjoy some well-deserved rest. And that's it. Enjoy your podcast's growth.